Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Teamspace in Notion. First, open your Notion workspace and click on Settings and Members in the sidebar. This will take you to your workspace settings. From there, you'll need to navigate to the Teamspaces tab, which is also located in the left-hand sidebar. This is where you manage all your Teamspaces. Once you are in the Teamspaces tab, you will see a list of all your existing Teamspaces. Locate the specific Teamspace you intend to delete. Next to its name, you will find a 3 dots menu. Click on this. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you should select the Teamspace settings option to proceed. Within the Teamspace settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You will find a clear button labeled Delete Teamspace. Click this button. Notion will then prompt you to type the exact name of the Teamspace to confirm your decision. This is a crucial step to prevent accidental deletions, so be sure to type it correctly. Before you finalize the deletion, please remember that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. All pages, databases, and content within that Teamspace will be completely removed. It is highly recommended to back up any crucial information or move important pages to another Teamspace or private area before proceeding with the deletion. Be absolutely sure before confirming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.